What's up guys, it's Tom with Verus Engineering, and today we're going to be installing the gas cap cover for your GR Corolla. Alright, so disconnect your gas cap from the car. Obviously open the fuel door first. It's got one of these Christmas tree connections, so it'll pop off pretty easy. You see how the cap is right side up with as far as the text is concerned. Take your new gas cap cover in the color of your choosing, slide it over just like so. And what we're looking to do is, see this little seam right above the gas cap tether right there? There are little machined claws on the back side of the gas cap that are meant to grab that. So we're looking for a click once this gets snapped on. I'm gonna hold this close to my mic here. There you go. There's that click. We got a positive connection here. Can't pull it apart. We're good to go. Go ahead and throw this back on your car and enjoy some miles of smiles with your new gas cap. See you later.